Welcome to writing a program for your TI-84 for the midpoint, to find the midpoint between 2 points. You're going to go to Program, New, Create New, and we're just going to call this one Midpoint. So we only have 8 characters, so we do need to keep it abbreviated. Just like normal programming, we're going to start off hitting the PRGM button to get our menus for programming. And we need to go to Input, Output, and Display. When I put something between quotation marks, it's what shows up on the screen. So I want to display X, Y, and tell the user. So that's caps lock just so I can type easier. Enter X, then Y. Okay, so now we're going to prompt. So that gives the user the ability to put something in, and then what we put here is the variable we assign it to. So we want to start with X, or I'll screw myself up. X, and then prompt Y. Now we're going to display second, program. I'm ahead of myself. I need to display first. I'll do alpha lock. Second point. I'm going to call it UV. And the reason is if I did XY, it would write over those variables. And we need that. And I just realized I have a typo. So this is SECOND point, not F point. Second. Okay. And now we want the user to put in the U and V. So we're going to prompt for U and prompt for V, the second Y point. And now we do the math. So we're going to find the midpoint. You add the two X values together. So X plus U. And then you divide that by 2. Literally take the average, and we're going to assign that to A. And then we do the same thing with the Y coordinates. So we're going to do Y plus V divided by 2. And we're going to store that to B. So now let's do display midpoint X COO X coordinate, and we'll display A, which is what we did here for the program. And then we're going to display I need the quotation marks. If I miss the quotation marks, it would just error out when I run the program. Midpoint Y, and you'd see it would bring you to what you were missing. And then we're going to display B. So now let's try running it. So to access it, you hit program, and I'm going to go up because I knew it was the last program I just put in. So midpoint, you hit enter to run it, and let's say we have a point at 1, 1, and the other point is at 7, 7. So our answer should be 4, 4. And it was. We got it. Congratulations on writing a midpoint program. Be sure to check out other videos for additional programs to add to your TI-84.